Hi.
Yeah, hi. Hey, don't touch that.
What don't, yeah? I'm seeing you after 5 months, Adi.
Yeah, so?
So what do you mean, so? Smile. We going out drinking. Who goes out drinking with a face like that, yeah? Come on.
You think you're very cool or what?
Of course I'm very cool. Am I not very cool? Let's go grab a drink, yo. Hashtag crazy party scenes, yo. I'm cool. It's not like that.
What is this?
What? It's not like this?
I don't drink.
I don't drink. तेरे check-ins देखती हूँ मैं. जनता तू कॉफी पीने जाता है? जनता छोड़ तू. वो क्या मिला था मुझे? वो ओल्ड मॉन्क की बॉटल गंदे से टॉवल में लपेटी हुई. वार्डरोब के लास्ट वाले ड्रॉर में. तेरा ही ड्रॉर है ना वो?
था.
सुट्टा मारता है ना तू?
Sutta? What is sutta? Who says sutta?
Sutta. Because I found matches in your room when I was cleaning it to sutta.
Yeah, that was my room 5 months ago, okay? Which is not the case anymore. So maybe you should ask your new boyfriend who lives there. शायद उसका होगा sutta.
Adi, you made the choice when you decided to move out, okay? I really wanted to be with you. I wanted you to stay with us. You said that I'm going to move out. I'm going to move in with Achal because I really like her and I want to be independent.
I lied. Okay? I did not make a choice. I was forced into making one because all of a sudden you just decided that you're going to live in with your boyfriend and he's going to come and stay with us. Huh? In our house. हमारे घर पे. You didn't even ask me once, no?
Adi, I don't even want to get into an argument.
Of course not, right?
We felt right at that time, Adi. But did you even listen to what I was trying to tell you? I mean, I would have made sure na, that you were comfortable with him coming to stay with us. I would have, but no. You, what did you do? You just said, no, I'm just leaving and I'm moving in with Achal.
Did I have any other choice? Why would I want to live with you and some stranger from Punjab who you're seeing who works with you? And where are we even going? You know what? Just park the car on the side. I just want to go home actually.
Oh, idiots, you know. सारे गधे भरे पड़े.
He was just about to hit the...
You know, you said, Adi, that you're going to come every weekend to see me. I mean, I keep calling, but every weekend there's some new excuse, each one fancier than the last one.
Yeah, because I don't feel like coming into that place again. I don't look at it as my home anymore. I didn't feel like seeing you at all, dude. That room, that drawer, that cupboard, none of it is mine. और अब कहाँ जा रहे हैं अभी? Why?
जनता.
क्यों?
क्यों मतलब क्या? That's the place you like to go. तू वही तो होता है. सारे तेरे इंस्टा पे फोटोज तेरे जनता के तो हैशटैग जनता I love you जनता, love of my life जनता. तो I thought.
अरे क्योंकि वहाँ पे दारू सस्ती.
It used to be fun, na? When we used to go out driving like this on the weekends. Huh? Even with all these idiots on the road and the traffic. Just driving the city used to be fun now.
Yeah, I remember.
And then at the end, how we would go to that pav bhaji place near your college. What was the name of that place?
Karthik Juice Center.
Yeah, Karthik Jusin. You know what? Let's dump all this drinking, shinking. Let's just go there and have pav bhaji, huh?
No, I don't have pav bhaji.
अरे
I'm on a diet actually.
कितने मसल बनाएगा तू? And by the way, anyways, I'm also on a diet. What?
Listen, I really don't have pav bhaji. I'll just go home और आप प्रमोद के साथ जाओ पाव भाजी खाने. अच्छे से चीज़ लगा के खाओ like how you always love.
We broke up, Adi.
I'm sorry. When?
Last week.
Listen, you'll be fine, okay?
I know, but it was just getting too much, you know. Too much of him around me. He was just there all the time. He was there in the office, he was there at home, and it was like stifling.
I'm sorry. You'll find someone better.
Yeah. How is it going with you and Achal?
We broke up.
When?
Day before yesterday.
Why? What happened? I mean, seriously broke up?
Yeah, seriously broke up. What?
Where are you living now then?
At Nikhil's, on his couch.
Adi, don't be stupid, na. Just come home. Why did you break up?
यार वो स्पेस ही नहीं देती यार. 50 फोन कॉल्स, 20 मैसेजेस, एक के बाद एक. खाना खाया. अरे मेरा कोई लाइफ है कि नहीं? 4 साल बड़ी है मुझसे, बट मेंटल ग्रोथ उसका stopped after she turned 18. I genuinely feel that. Why are you laughing at?
अपनी उम्र की लड़की नहीं ढूंढ सकता क्या?
अरे यार तू क्या?
ये Where are we? Hey Adi, isn't that the ये तो कॉलेज वाली रोड है ना तेरी?
Yeah, it's on the
Come
left.
on, let's go पाव भाजी. ये पाव भाजी, yoo-hoo!
Calm down.
What? पाव भाजी.
Yeah, okay. Park carefully. You suck at parking.
Oh, shut up.
Put
I'm a
the
better driver than
indicator.
you. That's the truth, Adi. Pav bhaji. There it is.
एक ही प्लेट शेयर करें माँ? पूरा एक खाएंगे तो वेट बढ़ जाएगा ना?
नहीं.
When this song is sung, when our fights are done, of course you'll still be there. We think we say what we mean, we really mean what's in between. Till the end, you'll still be there. गुजरते ज़माने ने बदला हमें. Why explain? तू थामे मुझे, मैं थामूं तुझे. Why explain? इनायत कहाँ ये तो आदत लगे. Why explain? तू थामे मुझे, मैं थामूं तुझे. Why explain? Why explain? Why explain? गुजरते ज़माने ने बदला हमें Why explain? Why explain? तू थामे मुझे मैं थामूं तुझे Why explain? Why explain? इनायत कहाँ ये तो आदत लगे Why explain? Why explain? तू थामे मुझे मैं थामूं तुझे Why explain? Why explain?